In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record discounts for customers in QuickBooks Online. If you want to offer a customer a percentage off or a fixed dollar amount on a sale, QuickBooks Online makes that easy. The main thing you need to do first is turn on the discount feature in your settings. Once that's enabled, you'll be able to use it directly on invoices or sales receipts whenever needed. To get started, go to the top right corner of QuickBooks Online and click the gear icon. From that menu, select Account and Settings. This is where you can control many of the preferences that affect how your sales forms work. So if you ever need to customize invoices or other customer-facing documents, this is a useful area to know. Next, go to the Sales section, then look for sales form content. In that area, find the setting for discounts and turn the switch on. This step is important because the discount field won't appear on your sales forms until this option has been enabled. After switching it on, click Save to confirm the change. Once that setting is active, you're ready to start using discounts in actual transactions. To do that, click the plus icon at the top left of QuickBooks Online. From the menu, select Invoice. This will open a new invoice form where you can begin entering the sale as usual. Go ahead and enter the details of the invoice. Fill in the customer information and the products or services being billed just as you normally would. After that, look toward the bottom right of the form, in the summary area where the totals are displayed. You should now see a discount section there. This is where you can apply the discount to the invoice. QuickBooks gives you the option to switch between a percentage discount and a flat discount amount. That's helpful because sometimes you may want to give a customer, for example, a percentage off the entire invoice, while other times you may want to subtract a specific fixed amount instead. Simply choose the option that fits your situation, then enter the amount you want to discount. As soon as you enter it, QuickBooks will adjust the total for you, making it easy to confirm the final amount before sending the invoice. And that's it. Once discounts are enabled, you can apply them not only to invoices but also to sales receipts in the same general way. This is a simple feature, but it can be very useful for promotions, special pricing, or customer loyalty discounts.